Hi first class, Mr. Dunk here. Let's have a look at today's maths. The first worksheet is a rainbow to 10 number bonds activity. There are 12 number lines, and on each of the number lines I'd like you to put two numbers, add them together to make 10. I've done 3 already here. I had a look at my fingers earlier and realised I have 5 on each hand and that I have 10 fingers altogether, so my first addition was 5 plus 5. After that I realised if I add 0 to a number, the answer will stay the same as the original number. So 10 plus 0 is 10. After that, I had a look at the numbers here and used it as a number line. So I started off at the number 8, and I counted the amount of jumps I would need to do to get up to 10. 1, 2. So 8 plus 1, 2 equals 10. Let's do one more. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to start at the number 4 this time. So how many jumps do I need to get from 4 to 10? So 1, well that's 5 again, so I'm just going to skip that out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. So that's the first sheet. There are 12 number lines for you to fill in. Let's see if you can get them all done. The second sheet is a bit more complicated, so let's have a look at it together. Find all the number bonds to 10 that are hidden within the grid. Well, you should be okay with the number bonds to 10 because you will have them on this page here. These are hidden vertically, which means from top to bottom, like my 0 plus 10 here that I found. Horizontally, which is side to side, like my 1 plus 9 that I found. And diagonally. So diagonally means from one corner to another corner. So I found 4 plus 6 going diagonally this way. There must be a plus sign between the two numbers for it to count, and you can see between my two numbers there is a plus sign on all 3 of them. And there are 11 calculations to find. Well, I found 3 so far, and to make things a little bit easier for me to figure out how many I've done each of them in a different colour. So I'm going to try and find number 4 now. Minnie Dunk has very kindly lent me her silly scents. Let's see, what colour should I go for next? I think I'm going to go for this orange, which unsurprisingly the scent is also orange. Let's have a smell. Ooh, very nice. I love oranges. Okay, now let's have a look. Can you see any? Found one. 3 plus 7, and that's going horizontally across the page. So I'm just going to colour that in. 3 plus 7. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 11 to find in total. I've given you 4. Can you find the other 7? I hope so. Let me know.